Hello, Junior 5. How are you? Hope everything is okay with you. Now, today we're going to start the second unit of your ODI book. It's called Around the World. So, we're going to discover many countries and many famous places around those countries. Okay, let's start. Open your page. Open your book on page 22, number 1. We are going to listen and read. Does Don like snakes? So let us listen together.
Page 22, Unit 2, Lesson 1, Activity 1. Listen and read. Does Dan like snakes?
Look! There's a competition for a round-the-world trip. Where will you go if you win? I'll go to Egypt to see the pyramids. That's my dream. What other countries will you visit? I'll probably go to China and maybe Australia too. Wow! If you go to Australia, you'll see lots of snakes. Really? Okay, maybe I won't go there.
Okay, so here Dan and Robbie are talking about a competition for a round the world trip, and Dan is telling Robbie some of the countries that he wants to visit. Now Robbie asks him, wow, if you go to Australia, or Robbie says, if you go to Australia, you'll see lots of snakes. So there are a lot of snakes in Australia. So Dan answers, really? Okay, maybe I won't go there. So does Dan like snakes? Of course not. He doesn't like snakes. Now, let's go to number 2. You're going to listen and repeat the sentences.
Page 22, Unit 2, Lesson 1, Activity 2. Listen and repeat the sentences. 1.
Argentina is in South America.
Okay, so number 1, we have Argentina. So Argentina is a country, there it is. This is in South America, so it's a country in South America. Okay.
2.
People speak English in Australia.
So number 2, people speak English in Australia. So there's Australia. Of course, people speak English there.
3.
Brazil is a very large country.
So number 3, Brazil is a very large country. As you can see, it's in South America also, and it's very large. It takes up most of the continent. Okay.
4.
Canada is in North America.
So let's go to North America. Number 4, Canada is in North America. So as you can see, there is Canada. Okay.
5.
China is larger than Brazil.
So let's see. Number 5, China is larger than Brazil. So if you compare China to Brazil here, of course China is larger. Okay.
6.
Cairo is the capital city of Egypt.
Of course, number 6, Cairo is the capital city of Egypt. Of course, we all know that.
7.
France is in Europe.
Okay, so there we are. There is 7, so France. Here we go. France is in Europe, of course.
8.
South Africa is smaller than Argentina.
I'm sorry, I'll repeat this again.
8.
South Africa is smaller than Argentina.
So number 8, South Africa is smaller than Argentina. There is South Africa. It's at the end tip of Africa, and of course, if you compare it with Argentina, there it is. Of course, it is smaller than Argentina. Okay.
9.
People speak Spanish in Spain.
So number 9, people, there is Spain in Europe. People, of course, speak Spanish in Spain.
10.
England is part of the United Kingdom.
So number 10, there we are. England is part of the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is England, Scotland, Ireland. Okay, so England is part of the United Kingdom. And we also have Wales.
11.
The United States is smaller than China.
So
12.
Turkey is
So number 11, the United States is smaller than China. So there we are. This is the United States. It's in North America. Now if you compare it with China, of course China is bigger. Okay.
is part of Europe and Asia.
12.
Turkey is part of Europe and Asia.
So let's see number 12. Turkey, there we go. It's in the center. It's part of Europe and Asia. Okay, this is Europe, this is Asia. Now Turkey is in the center, right there. Okay, I don't think there is anything hard about this part. Now, question number 3. Where are these 8 cities? We're going to ask and answer, then listen. Okay, so first we're going to listen. And what are you going to do? You're simply going to write the number of the country beside the city. Let's start.
Page 22. Unit 2. Lesson 1. Activity 3. Where are these 8 cities? Ask and answer. Then listen.
Where is Beijing?
Beijing is in China.
Okay, so number 1, Beijing. Where is Beijing? Beijing, of course, is in China. So right beside China. Number 5. So have Beijing. This is number 5. Okay.
Where is Brasilia?
Brasilia is in Brazil.
So number 2, or Brasilia, where is Brasilia? Of course, Brasilia is in Brazil. So right beside Brasilia, number 3. Here we are. So there's Brazil. So right beside Brasilia, number 3. Let's continue.
Where is Istanbul?
Istanbul is in Turkey.
Okay, so where is Istanbul? Istanbul is in Turkey, of course. So right beside Istanbul, number 12.
Where is London?
London is in the United Kingdom.
So where is London? Of course, London is in the United Kingdom. So right beside London, number 10. Okay.
Where is Madrid?
Madrid is in Spain.
Okay, so where is Madrid? Madrid, of course, it's in Spain. So right beside Madrid, number 9.
Where is New York?
New York is in the United States.
So where is New York? New York, of course, is in the United States. So right beside New York, number 11. Okay, there we are. Okay.
Where is Paris?
Paris is in France.
So where is Paris? Paris, of course, is in France. So right beside Paris, number 7. Okay. Now the last one.
Where is Sydney?
Sydney is in Australia.
So where is Sydney? Sydney, of course, is in Australia. Now right beside Sydney, number 2. Okay. We said that Paris, Paris, of course, is in France, and we said France is number 7. And Sydney is in Australia, so it's going to be number 2. Okay, so with this, or like this, we have finished page 22. Okay, now let's go to page, there we go. Now let's open page 24. Okay, now we're going to start solving page 24.